Hi, I'm Chris from Talamas. What would you say if we could help you make all your radio interviews conducted over the phone easier and sound as good as if they were in-studio guests? The Opal by Comrex gets it done. Your call-in guests are on the line to talk about what they know best, but they're not audio engineers, and we all know what can go wrong. Enter the Comrex Opal. It's an IP audio gateway that provides a simple way for call-in guests to connect to your TV or radio show with reliable, high-quality audio. That's sweet HD quality audio from consumer cell phones and laptop microphones. Everything about the Opal is easy. Guests can connect with a click using a browser on the computer or by opening the Comrex Opal Connect app on their smartphone. And for you engineers, setup is a snap. All you need is a static IP address and a registered domain name. How does it work? By activating the OPUS encoder already baked into most commonly used browsers like Safari, Chrome, and Firefox. Opal uses the OPUS encoder to transmit crystal clear, low delay audio in both directions. It also uses minimal network bandwidth, which makes it highly reliable. There's a lot of functionality packed into this little box. There are 4 audio connection ports, 2 XLR inputs and 2 XLR outputs, LED level monitoring, and it only takes up a half view rack space. Comrex is the standard for audio codec and audio over IP devices and hits a sweet spot for quality, ease of use, and price. Want to learn more about the Opal and how it can fit into your studio? Call sales or shoot us an email.